हेलो फ्रेंड्स मु सुजाता वेलकम टू ओडिया स्टडी टेक्निक। फ्रेंड्स आज केतेक कंट्री रो नेशनल एनिमल एंड बर्ड को विषय जानिबा। फ्रेंड्स वीडियोटी को फास्ट टू लास्ट जाए देखिए, भल लगे लाइक करिवे, शेयर करिवे। तेबे फ्रेंड्स चलतु स्टार्ट करिबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ अफगानिस्तान इज आंसर snow leopard. Question number 2, the national animal of Australia is answer black eagle. Question number 3, the national animal of Australia is answer kangaroo. Question number 4, the national animal of Bangladesh is answer Royal Bengal Tiger. Question number 5, the national animal of Brazil is answer jaguar. Question number 6, the national animal of Bhutan is answer takim. Question number 7, the national animal of Canada is answer eagle. Question number 8, the national animal of China is answer panda and also red crowned crane. Question number 9, the national animal of Cuba is answer tocororo. Question number 10, the national animal of Denmark is answer mute swan. Question number 11, the national animal of India is answer Bengal Tiger. Question number 12, the national animal of Japan is answer koi. Question number 13, the national animal of Kuwait is answer camel. Question number 14, the national animal of Myanmar is answer tiger. Question number 15, the national animal of Nepal is answer cow. Question number 16, the national animal of New Zealand is answer kiwi. Question number 17, the national animal of Pakistan is answer Markhor. Question number 18, the national animal of South Africa is answer African elephant and also springbok. Question number 19, the national animal of Spain is answer bull. Question number 20, the national animal of UK is answer robin bulldog. Question number 21, the national animal of US is answer bald eagle.